pilots, arm your quads. We launch in less than 5.
Here we go, all 4 off, all 4 around. It looks like the first one through the split S is going to be Ethan FEV. He's already through the center section of your course. Nice, fast, clean lines. He's now moving to the left-hand side of the audience underneath the double gate. Now he's going to be the first one to make it up to the Inception Tower. Nice S-turn back around. He's going to roll inverted, back down in.
Let's go outside pole with Slowpoke running second.
Ethan FPV already through lap number 1. He's now through our split S section on the right-hand side of our audience. Now he's through the middle section, a little bit of a cake slalom. Now he's going back up the top double section of our tower. Moving back around, here he comes, left side of the audience, up the TBS Inception gate, nice and clean. Gonna be able to keep it alive. Moving on to the final lap for Ethan FPV. Lap number 2. If you're still flying, you're going to be moving on in our winner's bracket. Slowpoke, there he goes up the Inception Tower, doing a little bit of an S-turn, and he's going to come back down. There he goes, lining it up, far left-hand side of the track. If you're watching from a spectator standpoint, here comes Ethan FPV, actually making the pass. You can hear him up here on our stage. Slowpoke going, whoa, Ethan. It's Ethan FPV taking the win in this one. Slowpoke FPV just going on to his final lap, but his name might be Slowpoke. That doesn't necessarily mean he's slow. He's in second place right now, guaranteed second place in this group of pilots. He's through the middle section of the track right now through our T-Mobile gate, swinging back around and under through the Team Blackshire gate, maneuvering around to our TBS Inception climb. There you go. He's moving back down and under. He's going to line this one up. There's his first try, and he's back through clean around our pole. Flag for him. Finishing up in second. A little bit of a roll there to finish up. Slowpoke FPV.
So they tell me behind the scenes they are currently working on getting the drone